Hello, my name is Tim Wheats, Network Specialist and Google Administrator for Heartland AEA. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to create a Google group. Let's click on Google Chrome, go up to our grid, go down to under More, click on Groups, then we're going to go over and click on Create Group. Here, under Group Name, go ahead and type in a name. It also creates an email address. Down here under Group Description, you can go ahead and create a description if you want. And then under where it says group type, it says select group type. Just keep it at email list. We can go over the other group types in a later video. Under basic permissions, under view topics, you can go ahead and click on what can your members see. If you select on the groups of users, you can see what is checked. And you can check the appropriate ones that you want to have checked under view topics. Under post, you can do the same. Check on the ones that you want your members to see. And additionally, who can join the group? Right now it's under anyone in the organization. Go ahead and check the box called Only Invited Users. Go ahead and click on Create. A new dialog box will pop up. It'll give you a couple of links what you can go through for your next steps. But as for this tutorial, we will not be going through them. We'll be going through a different way on how to do them. So what you'll want to do here is just go ahead and click on OK. Now the group is created. What you want to do is click on Manage. This will bring up the more advanced features of the group, what you can do. That includes permissions and also adding. As you can see here, my name's right here, and I am the role I have is the owner. That gives me the ability to manage this group. What we want to do now is go under Permissions, click on Basic Permissions. Then under here where it says Allow members external to this organization, if you want to invite anybody outside this organization, you want to check the box right there where it says Allow new users not in heartlandaea.org. So make sure that is checked. Go ahead and hit check. And go ahead and hit click on Save. Now that we're done clicking on the Save button, we're going to go up underneath Members. And we're going to go ahead and click on Invite Members. Now here we're going to go ahead and type in the member that we want to invite. Now here I'm going to go ahead and use my outside email address because I want to invite somebody externally. I'll go ahead and type in my external email address. And then down in the welcome message, I'll go ahead and let them know that I am sending them an invite. I'm going to go ahead and hit Send Invite. You will get a verification box that will come up because you send it outside of our organization. It will be normally a number, so go ahead and type in the numbers in here. and click on continue. Once that is done, you can see that I have sent one invitation. You can go ahead and click on show, and you can see that I have sent it to this particular email address outside of our organization. Now on the left hand side, we're going to go down to where it says outstanding invites. I'm going to click on that, and you can see who has not accepted your invite. And you'll see right there it says pending, because this particular person has not accepted that they wanted to join this particular email list. You can go back and click on all members. You can still see that there's only one person still added to this list, and that is me, and I am the owner of this list. But you should see a lot more people in here once you start inviting more people. Now we're going to show you how to make sure that your group is added to the directory. Under information, go to directory, and right here you'll see the checkbox here where you can check it to show if you want your group to be shown on the directory. You don't have to do this, but if you do, you want to hit the checkbox and hit save. Now I'm going to show you how to direct add people. Under members, click on direct to add, and up here under enter email address, you can go ahead and start typing in the email address that you want. No number of these are people within the organization, so go ahead and type in Julie. As you can see, it's starting to bring up all the Julies within our organization. I'm going to go aheid and pick on Julie Cyphersma. We'll click on her name. Now, as you can see underneath where it says the welcome message, that message is already there previously when I invited the members. That's okay. It might show there and it might not. That's alright too. Once you're done here, you can go ahead and click on the add button. And now Julie is now a part of this group. If you go back to all members, you can see that Julie is now a part of the group and she has the member role. Now if you would like to change the role for Julie, if you want to make her the owner of this group, in case if you're on vacation or you're out for some reason, you can want to make sure that Julie can come in here and modify settings and to be able to add members for you. We could change the role. If you click on the checkbox next to her name, go up to Actions, go to Add to Role, just click on Owner. Once you click on Owner, she will be now the owner of this group. There is another option to make her a manager. I will show you where you can, under roles, what manager means and owner means and what types of options that gives. So now Julie's the owner, as you can see here. If you click on the left hand side under roles, and then under roles again, this here gives you a brief description of what owner does, a manager does, and what a member does. Now you can do anything you want there for a role. An owner obviously gives you full rights, and a manager only gives you part of the rights. And then as a member, you're only really allowed to post back to the group if need be.